Hey everybody, I'm Chris, and I'm here today to talk to you about Unleashing Print, our 2018 Dscoop conference. We've been hard at work to make this an all-new experience for everybody, especially all you operators and technical folks out there. That's right, I said operators. Now, how does this sound to you? All day Tuesday, we'll be hosting the Operator Effects event at the conference with hard-hitting topics that will help you become the best operator in the country. But wait, there's even more. Wednesday morning, we'll be in the Solution Showcase at the presses. Yep, that's what I said. We'll have the whole place to ourselves, hands on the presses with the HP trainers and the solution architects. Bring all your questions and tips and tricks to share with everybody. Oh, and did I mention Andrew Davis is going to be our MC? And if you haven't seen him yet, man, are you in for a big treat, because Andrew is great. So hurry up and register. Seating is limited for the Operator Effects event. See you all in Dallas.